Hey, quick question. How long have you owned your car? A year? 3 years? Maybe 5? Now here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. There are features sitting right inside your vehicle, features you paid for, that you have probably never touched once. Not because they're hidden in some secret compartment, but because nobody ever told you they existed. And some of these, they could literally save your life, save you money, or make every single drive 100 times better. So today, we're breaking down 21 hidden car features that 99% of American drivers have never used. And most of these are already in your 2025 or 2026 model right now. Before we dive in, if you're new here, welcome to Car Care Garage, where we make car ownership simple, smart, and stress-free. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like button right now so you never miss a video like this. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start with something almost nobody knows about. Most modern cars have a quiet mode for your door chimes and alerts. You know that annoying ding 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 when you leave a door open or forget your seatbelt? On many 2025 and 2026 models, especially Ford, Toyota, and GM vehicles, you can actually adjust the volume of those interior chimes right from your infotainment screen under sound settings. Dead simple. And if you've ever been loading groceries with the door open while your car screams at you, you'll thank us later. Number 2, and this one's wild, most cars with automatic headlights also have a setting called coming home lights and leaving home lights. When you park and turn off the engine, your headlights can stay on for a set amount of time to light up your path to your front door. And when you unlock your car from a distance at night, the lights flash on to guide you in. Check your lighting settings in the infotainment system. You've probably been walking in the dark for years and didn't need to. Number 3. Your rearview mirror has an auto-dimming function that most drivers never activate. If someone behind you has blinding headlights at night, the mirror automatically dims to protect your eyes, but only if it's been turned on. There's usually a small button on the bottom edge of the mirror. Check it tonight. Now here's one that could save you from a nasty situation. Tire pressure pre-warning. You know your TPMS light that comes on when a tire is dangerously low? Many newer vehicles let you set a custom alert threshold, meaning instead of waiting until a tire is critically flat, you can get a warning earlier. Dig into your vehicle settings menu under Tire or Safety and look for pressure thresholds. This one is worth 5 minutes of your time right now. Number 5. Ever been stuck in stop-and-go traffic and your foot is killing you from holding the brake? A ton of 2025 and 2026 vehicles have auto hold, and almost nobody uses it. You press the brake at a stoplight, tap the auto hold button, usually near the center console or on the dash, and the car holds itself at a complete stop without you pressing anything. You only release it by pressing the gas. Your left knee will love you for this. 6. Here's one for road trips. Your car's GPS or navigation system likely has a fuel stop optimizer. On many Chevy, Ford, and Ram trucks, as well as Hyundai and Kia models, the nav system can show you gas stations along your route, ranked by price and distance. Not just any nearby stations, ones that are actually on your way. Stop overpaying just because you didn't know the cheaper station was 2 miles down the road. 7. Rear sunshades built into the back windows, pull-up shades that hide inside the door panel. On vehicles like the Lexus ES, BMW 5 Series, and Honda Odyssey, these are built right in, just pull them up and click them into place. If you have kids in the back seat, this one changes everything, especially in summer. Number 8. Your car's ventilated seat function has a timer. Most drivers click it on and forget about it. But a lot of vehicles let you set it to run for a specific amount of time and shut off automatically, so you're not sitting on a cold seat in the middle of winter. Check your seat settings menu. 9, and this is for the safety-conscious drivers out there. Driver attention monitoring. If you've been on a long drive and you start drifting or your reaction time slows, many 2025 and 2026 models will actually suggest you take a break. It monitors your steering micro-corrections and head position through the camera. It's called something different depending on the brand. Ford calls it Driver Alert. Volvo calls it Driver Alert Control. But it's there, and you should make sure it's enabled. 10. Adaptive high beams. Not just regular auto high beams that flick off when they see a car, we're talking beams that actually reshape around oncoming vehicles, keeping the rest of the road bright while not blinding other drivers. This is standard on a surprising number of 2026 models, but it has to be switched on in your lighting menu. Most people have it off and don't even know it exists. 11. Let's talk about your phone's wireless charging pad. A lot of people complain it charges slowly. Here's the thing. Many cars have a setting in the infotainment system that lets you switch the charger between standard and high-speed mode. Standard is the default to protect the phone. Switch it to max charge mode and you'll see a real difference. 12. Customizable drive modes beyond just eco and sport. Most modern vehicles let you create a fully personalized drive mode, adjusting steering weight, throttle response, suspension stiffness if equipped, and even ambient lighting, and save it as your own custom profile. This isn't just for performance cars anymore. Check under Drive Mode in your settings and look for a My Mode or Custom option. 13. 360-degree camera memory angles. Your surround view camera system can often save specific views that pop up automatically in certain situations, like the side camera turning on whenever you signal to change lanes. This is a game changer on highway drives, and you can set it up in your camera settings menu. 14. This one surprises everyone. Remote climate preconditioning. If your car has a factory app like My Chevrolet, Ford Pass, Toyota Remote Connect, you can start your climate system remotely, not just to heat or cool the car, but to precondition the battery on an EV or hybrid for maximum range. On cold mornings, this alone can add 10 to 20 miles of range on electric vehicles. People pay attention to range but completely ignore this. 15. Rain-sensing wiper speed calibration. You know how the auto wipers sometimes go too fast or too slow for your liking? Almost every car with rain-sensing wipers has a sensitivity dial, usually on the wiper stalk itself. Twist it and your wipers respond faster or slower to rainfall. Stop fighting your wipers. Tune them. 16. Here's a practical money saver. Service interval customization. The factory oil change reminder in your car is usually set conservatively, sometimes as short as 5,000 miles. But if you use full synthetic oil, most manufacturers actually support longer intervals. You can adjust the service reminder in your vehicle settings to match your actual oil change schedule. No more premature dashboard warnings stressing you out. 17. Heated steering wheel tied to auto start. On vehicles where you have remote start, you can usually program it so the heated steering wheel turns on automatically when the car remote starts in cold weather. No more gripping a frozen wheel waiting for it to warm up. Set it once in your remote start preferences. 18. This is for the parents. Rear seat reminder. Built into many 2025 and 2026 models, this system detects if the rear door was opened before or during the trip and then reminds you to check the back seat when you park. It was designed specifically to prevent children from being left in hot cars. If you have kids or pets, go into your safety settings right now and make absolutely sure this is turned on. 19. Traffic sign recognition paired to your speed limiter. Your car's camera reads speed limit signs and can display them on your instrument cluster in real time. Some vehicles take it a step further. They'll link it to an intelligent speed assist that gently resists the accelerator if you're going over the posted limit. Check your driver assistance settings and decide if you want this on or off, but know that it's there. 20. Ambient lighting sync with music. On vehicles with multicolor ambient lighting, think Lincoln, Cadillac, Audi, Hyundai Ioniq. There's often a setting that pulses the interior lighting to the beat and tempo of whatever's playing through your speakers. It sounds gimmicky until you're on a night drive and it's perfectly synced. Look under the lighting or mood settings in your infotainment. It's one of those features that makes you feel like your car is brand new again. And finally, number 21. This might be the most powerful one on this entire list. Over-the-air update scheduling. Your car's software gets updated just like your phone. But most drivers either let it update randomly in the middle of the night, draining the battery if the car isn't plugged in, or they keep hitting "Remind me later" until the update never happens. Go into your vehicle's software or connectivity settings and schedule updates during times when you know the car will be parked and on a charger or in the garage. Keeping your vehicle's software current means you're always getting the latest safety improvements, bug fixes, and sometimes even new features for free. And there you have it, 21 features already living inside your car right now, just waiting to be used. If you found this video useful and honestly, subscribe if you haven't already, because we drop new car care content every single week.